Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing another crochet hairstyle, so keep watching to see how I achieve this look. This is the braiding pattern that I did. It's just something simple but a bit different from what I normally do. So that's how the front looks like and that's how the back looks. This is the hair that I'll be using today. The hair is from 20 tresses. This hair is 10-inch long and I used a total of 6 packs. So if you want to check this hair out, I'll put all details down below. So I want to show you guys how much hair you get in one pack. So in each pack you have 10 pieces. I'm just gonna go ahead and start installing the hair one piece at a time, as how you would install any crochet hair, and I'll just be looping the hair once. So I'm just gonna take the crochet hook, slide it underneath my hair, then I'll place the hair on the crochet hook, pull the hair through my braid, then I'll grab the hair and pull it through the loop to tie a knot. So again, you're gonna take the crochet hook, slide it underneath the braid, then you're gonna place the hair on the crochet hook, slide the hair through the braid, then grab the hair and pass it through the loop and then tie a knot. So this is how the hair looks after using one full pack. I'm just gonna continue the same process again, and when you're installing the hair, especially at the back of your head, just make sure that you don't place the hair close together. You can space them like 1 inch apart, because later you're going to separate the hair and it's gonna look full and it will cover the braids underneath. I want to show you guys how I install the hair around my hairline. So I'll just do the same thing again. Take the crochet hook, slide it underneath my braid, then I'll place the hair on the crochet hook, pull the hair through my braid, then I'll just grab one strand of the hair and pass it through the loop just like that, and that's how I'll get the invisible look. So that's how the hair will be looking like when you're done. So I'll be doing the same thing around my hairline and where my parting will be. I'll show you again how to do the invisible method. So I'll just take the crochet hook again and slide it underneath my braid, then I'll place the hair on the crochet hook, pull the hair through the braid, then instead of grabbing both strands, I'll just grab one strand and pass it through the loop, then I'll tie a knot. Now I'm done, and that's how much hair I'm left with, so I'm just gonna use that to cover any gaps. So I tried to separate the hair and see how it's gonna look like, and it looks a bit frizzy, so I'm going to show you how to fix that. First thing you have to do is cut the ends of the hair, and by doing this it will make the hair tangle less when you're separating. Then you're going to need a gel that will give you maximum hold. The one that I'm using right now is from Nourish and Shine. It was okay, but it didn't give me the hold that I wanted. So later on I used Got to Be Glue gel and it worked really well on this hair. So if you have Got to Be Glue gel, you can use that one. It will be a better choice. So as you can see, the curls look so defined after applying gel, and as you know, this is synthetic hair and it tends to tangle a lot. So when you apply gel, it will make the style last longer, and that's what I've been doing to make my styles last longer whenever I use any synthetic curly hair. So this is the final look. I really love how this hair turned out. It's so full, very curly, and also very defined. So let me know what you think about this hairstyle, and all details of this hair will be linked down below if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching and I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle and let me know if you would try it. Thank you so much. I'll see you all on my next one.